To today's pre-market analysis. Today is the 9th of January and we're gonna go over what I'm seeing for today. Two main things we have to discuss for today. First one is NFP today. So we had high impact news 1 hour before market open. The candle was not enormously huge like normally, but still it's a low probability day. I would avoid to trade today. Yeah, especially if you don't have a lot of experience, stay away from the charts. Protect your capital. It's the safest way. Me personally, I will also not trade today. I will maybe watch the charts for 10 minutes, 15 minutes after open. But yeah, that's it. I will not take any trades today, and I would advise you to also stay away from the charts, do something else, enjoy the long weekend. But yeah, low probability day. There can be two possibilities for today. NFP came out bullish, and there can be a big sell-off or like a big move to the upside, like a lot of volatility, and you don't want to try to like bottom take some moves, or there can be just consolidation and nothing because the move of the day is already over. You cannot guess this because it's NFP today, it's high volatility. So don't trade today. Enough yapping. Second thing, also welcome to the guys who are watching from the free section of the Discord server. Right now, like you can also only get the pre-market analysis and the live updates in the silver membership, but in 1, 2, or 3 days you also get the possibility to watch the pre-market analysis and also get live updates during market open without getting the silver membership. So stay aware of this, but you're gonna see in the upgrade channel if there's any news. So let's hop right into it. Pretty easy to be honest for today. Bias remains the same. As I explained yesterday in the pre-market analysis, we had this weekly opening gap, we filled this perfectly, bounced off, looks pretty bullish to be honest. Then we swept out this 4-hour low right here, disrespecting fair value gaps right here on the 4-hour, keeps respecting bullish price action and bullish confluences. Right here, this move, little bit different than expected because we inverse this 4-hour gap right here, but now it's looking great. We break the structure on the 4-hour right now. Now it's getting really interesting. The 4-hour candle closes in around 1 hour. If we can inverse this 4-hour gap, if we can inverse this gap, then pretty sure that we're gonna go and grab those highs right here. Market opens in like 30 minutes. There can be the possibility that we get a huge sell-off. Yeah, as I explained to you before, it's NFP day. There can literally anything can happen right now. So yeah, that's the only thing which can like prevent us from going and grabbing those highs right here. But let's focus on the sessions right now. We have New York open right here, we have London open right here, and we have Asia open right here. So overall this doesn't look great. We do not have session highs and lows targets for today. We have London lows right here. We do not really form any like London highs at the moment. We have Asia lows right here. We have Asia highs right here. We swept then like directly after open, directly after London open basically, so irrelevant for us. So we basically only have London lows and Asia lows here. If we check on the higher time frame, we have like some sort of low resistance liquidity right here on the 1 hour time frame. Can be interesting if there is like a big sell-off, but to be honest, even if you want to trade today, what I not advise, but if we go all the way down here, the move happened, it's done. You don't try to like bottom tick anything right here, it's done. So this is good draws of liquidity maybe for next week if we like get a little bit of cool down right here, and then we can catch some like shorts on Monday, maybe on Tuesday, Wednesday. But for today, this looks great, but it's not really interesting for us. Of course, we have this 1 hour high right here. This can be interesting. Wait, I put, doesn't matter. You get the point. We have a really like good high right here, daily high. It's also quite far away. I mean, before NFP, this would be like, it's quite insane. So not anything really interesting today. We have a high right here. It's too far, the move is already happening. If we go up here, this good draws, too far, we cannot trade like anything off here. The only possibility what we really have is we respect the 4 hour gap. We don't like inverse any 1 hour gap. We inverse a 15-minute gap, and then we open up on the way down like a 5 minute gap, a 15-minute gap, to take like inverse out of it. But that's pretty much it for today on ES. Nothing really interesting here. Let's watch NQ for a second. Maybe we have an SMT. Let's check. I mean, yeah, kind of, but really not so interesting, to be honest. NQ, yeah, we go over this really quickly. Looks pretty much the same overall. Also not really interesting draws. I mean, there is good draws, but way too far away. And since we have NFP today, it's yeah, same problem. Um, Also, yeah, we will probably break structure on the 4 hour right here too. Interesting, like on the S, same thing. We have this 4 hour gap. If we can maybe inverse this, then we will probably grab those daily highs right here. Overall, session wise, we have London lows right here. We have Asia lows right here. Like on ES, we swept Asia highs directly after London Open. We did not form any London highs right now. Maybe we are doing now. I can imagine if we really want to get a sell-off now after NFP, that we get like a bearish candle right here. We get a sweep of this high, respecting this 4 hour gap, which closes the 4 hour candle, which closes in 1 hour, and then we're gonna go down. But same on ES. If we go down all the way here, the move is even more done than it's already. So it doesn't really matter for us to stay and watch the charts. This looks kind of bearish, to be honest, for me on NQ, that we like respecting this gap right now, and we swept this 4 hour high like this. We can call it an internal high of this 4 hour gap, but that's pretty much it for today. Nothing really interesting, nothing really clear for today. Probably one of the unclearest daily profiles biases for today, but still, it's NFP, so we do not really care about today's price action. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna see on Monday with definitely a clearer bias and definitely some trading ideas. But today, stay away from the charts, be careful, and don't do stupid shit.